So some really quick housekeeping here, just so you know where to put all the stuff for this course. I want you to go to your hard drive here and create a new folder called Spark Course, someplace where you're going to remember where it is. So for me, I've put that in my C drive under a folder called Spark Course. And this is where you're going to put everything for this course. So as you come through individual lectures, you'll see that there are resources attached to those lectures. And if you click on the resources button, you should find a way to download them. And there can be different kinds of resources. There can be files, there can be downloads. Just make sure you look at them all. But when you download them, make sure you put them in this folder that you created. So this is the ultimate destination of everything you're going to download for the course, and you'll just accumulate all this stuff over time as you work your way through it. So just remember where you put it. You might need to refer to these files by their path. So you'll have to remember that it's, in this case, C:\Spark course is where all these files were put. Just make sure you download them to a consistent place, and you should be good to go. Now, if you're on Mac or Linux, of course, you're not going to have a C drive. Put it wherever it makes sense. Just be cognizant of differences in file paths between operating systems. So instead of using a C drive, you'll just have a / in the full path name. Capitalization might be important where it's not in Windows, and things like that. So, and also / instead of backslashes in paths is another difference between Windows and other operating systems. So if you are using something other than Windows, just keep those differences in the back of your mind. Don't let them trip you up. If you see a path to a file in a script, make sure you adjust it accordingly to make sense on where you put these files and what your operating system is. Okay? So with that out of the way, let's move on.